going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in a GT3RS. We're in Frankie's GT3RS. Going to get some mods done to it. And you guys know, if you guys watch the channel for a while, the mods that we do to the GT3RS, I don't know if they're quite Porsche approved. We're actually throwing a hitch onto the GT3RS. I'll explain more in a little bit. God, this thing sounds amazing. Got to update you guys on the C8 Liberty Walk and the C8 Z06. So we sold the Liberty Walk C8. We sold it back in March. Knew that we were coming up on our Z06 allocation. We moved down from 18 down to 15, then 12, and then we were at 8 back in February. So I knew it was time to sell the Liberty Walk. I knew if we traded it in, probably weren't gonna give us what we wanted for it. So I went ahead, sold it privately, and then on April 20th, the dealership called me and said my Z06 allocation has come up. So I went ahead, placed the order for the Z06. I'm gonna go ahead and share all the specs and the numbers with you guys in a little bit. Right now we are at Storman Performance, about to get that hitch put on the GT3RS. All right, what are we doing? What are we doing?
So we're just taking these bolts off.
Okay.
And then the 3 bolts that are here, take off the crash bar.
Is that what he's bolting the hitch to?
Yeah, that's where the hitch is gonna go right here.
So I thought you were originally doing this because you wanted to add like a track trailer to this so we could throw like the wheels and tires up, but this is really just for your jet ski.
Yeah.
So what do you think, like, what's gonna happen when, I don't know, I was just thinking, like, you know, you go to back this thing in with the jet ski, you got a rear mounted motor, exhaust is right there, you got cup 2s with wet pavement, like how is all this gonna work out with the jet ski?
I guess it's just gonna call for a really good YouTube video.
Are we gonna test this out today? Maybe coming to a video near you?
Maybe.
Franklin, we're gonna have to go with plan B. Come on.
I don't think there was one.
There isn't a plan B, but there is now.
What we're gonna end up probably having to do, and I just realized this, I thought this was steel. It actually looks like it's aluminum. So instead of us welding this to that, we're gonna have to drop this in, and I'll weld steel plates here and here, and we'll drill through this whole entire thing and then bolt it in place.
No, plan B.
Yeah. It always
I'll tell you what, if this video gets 100,000 likes, I'll be giving this away.
Oh.
One of the lucky subscribers.
How much is that thing?
A couple $100,000.
Couple $100,000. Would you get the whole crash bar for 200?
Yeah.
All right, so the hole is cut. We are going all the way through. Receiver sliding all the way through. He's gonna cut out some blocks or plates from the plasma cutter over there, and then somehow make it look pretty. Alright, so we got our bracket for the receiver hitch. There's gonna be one on each side, one on the front and the back of this frame. So this will slide in that, and then he'll get them bolted through there and welded. Alright, so we just got those welds all cleaned up. That thing looks real nice. Just want to show you guys how he's reinforcing this crash bar. He's putting this metal tube down in between, welding it on both sides so it doesn't crush when we go to bolt this plate together and everything. Alright guys, we have got her all on there. We got the frame mounted on there, painted. We are gonna test this thing out. Got a crazy looking hitch there. We're gonna attach one of these Race Week drag racing boxes to the car and see if she works. Even drilled some extra holes for the chains. World's first GT3RS with a freaking trailer attached to it. What in the world? did we do? Coolest thing ever. That is wild. That is awesome. Let's check out those backup skills though. Woo-hoo. It's like he owns a jet ski or something. Uh-oh, that's a wall. So we're just using this receiver for now. We've got a shorter one. It'll look a lot better. Oh man, that's cool. Like a pro. Dude, looks pretty cool.
A little difficult.
You were doing good. Well, how'd it feel?
Got it.
Did it feel good? No issues? Nice. Nice. All right, guys, we went ahead and put our receiver back on here, our tow hitch, whatever you call it. You guys see how it goes in a lot further than the other one that we had? It's a really clean looks freaking awesome. If you guys have any fabrication work or anything that needs to be done, come check out these guys. Storeman Performance Custom Aluminum Trailers out here in Orange City. Guys over here do amazing work. Here's their phone number. If you guys want to give them a call, get a quote for something that needs to be done. They work on all kinds of cars. Got some hot rods in here, some older Porsches. Check out this Porsche really quick. Twin turbo V8 LS. Pretty freaking nuts. But yeah, they do a lot of different stuff. So if you guys want to get some work done, you guys need a quote, hit them up. All right, we are back. Porsche's in the garage. Tow hitch is looking beautiful. What do you think? You love it?
Love it.
Love it? All right.
That's good.
Well, next episode, we're going to take out the 300 horsepower jet ski, see if we can't get this thing in the lake with the GT3RS. We'll see.
Gotta stay tuned.
See you in the next one.
See you on the next one.
Real quick, I want to share my Z06 order with you guys. There were a few constraints during my ordering cycle. You couldn't get the high wing and carbon fiber or carbon flash. You also couldn't order the Z07 package. A couple other things that I wanted were like the museum delivery and the personalized plaque. You couldn't get those either, along with some other things. My build ended up being a coupe 1LZ black with machine face wheels and red calipers. The interior, I went with a 1LZ all black interior, GT1 seats. The entire build ended up coming to $111,485 MSRP. Can't wait to get the car and can't wait to share some amazing content with you guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.